So hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to devverse. Today in this video, like recently, Google launched Antigravity, right? And I was also working on something else. So there is something I wanted to build in this video. It's called a social media application. No pricing plans. Everything is free. You don't need to do. You don't have to, spend any money, right? It's totally free. You can upload videos, images, posts, a lot of things, right? And this is called Mastodon. So I have created a Mastodon template in nextjs which we'll be using, right? And this is going to be an amazing journey, right, in this video. And obviously we will be using Antigravity, like that gives us Gemini 3 Pro for free, and we'll be building the entire UI with vibe coding, that is our Gemini 3 Pro. And then I already updated the hooks and stuff for Mastodon, so you just need to get your configurations and you are ready to go. So let's deep dive into this, and let's get started, right? So hey everyone, this is the Mastodon Next.js template that I built. You can see the preview here. Click on this one, and yeah. So this is the template. You can get your hooks. You can test your hooks. All the hooks are here, right? I'm already logged in with my Mastodon account, right? And the best thing is, it's really free, right? That's what I like about Mastodon, right? What you need to do is go for Mastodon social, go to this website, create your account, right? Once you do your account, click on this preferences, right? Here, scroll down, you will have a development account, right? And new application, click on new application, add your application details, redirect URI, I will be telling you, but make sure you enable all the scopes that are available here, right, for now, and then submit it. Then you will get your access token and stuff, and then you are good to go, right? And about the redirect URI, it's going to be your localhost slash callbacks. Let me show it to you here, the one I have. So you can see this is my redirect URI, right? I'll regenerate this one, that's fine. So you can see this one, right? So this is my hosted ones, right? One is Vercel, one is my domain one, and this is my localhost one. So you just need to do the same thing on your side and you are good to go, right? If you come over here, you have basically an env.example. You can follow this one. You can copy paste the redirect URI from here. That should do the work, right? And access token, client ID, secret, and you will be getting it from here. So that is this things, right? And that should work. Pretty much it, right? So now, like Mastodon is really nice, right? By Fediverse, like if um, it's very nice, right? And if you want to, you don't if you don't want to use theirs, what you can do is there, you can go for the Docker image. I will put the link in the description box. They also have the Docker image, and you can use that and host it somewhere and use that IP, or if you have some domains, at the domain to the IP and use that domain as an instance. So basically, if you see here, you see the instance I'm using is their message on the social. But if you want to create something that you only want on your side, then you can just host its Docker image on some server, and then just get the instance from there, the IP or the domain that you have on that one, right? And then use it here, simple as that, right? So what we're going to do is pretty much simple. You can click on this, use this template, create a new repository. I will be making it public, so it's fine. Public is fine. I will name it as Twitter clone, let's say. The clone, yeah. Uh, let's build Twitter slash X clone. Because clone not clone, using Mastodon Next.js template by devverse. Simple, right? I'll just create a empty repository. That's all I'll do. Not an empty repository, sorry. Like, it will basically fork kind of, it's kind of fork only, but it copies it and all, sets everything as a template. So yeah, right now I have my Twitter clone here. Click on this, copy this one, open your terminal, right? Go to your desired directly, then do git clone, paste it, and what it is saying is Twitter clone already exists, so I'll do rm-rf Twitter clone. I'll just delete it. I'll just do this above command, git clone. It will basically do this. cd into Twitter, um, Twitter clone ls. I'll do burn I dash f, and while it is doing, meanwhile, you should try antigravity.google. There's no .com, it's just .google. This is by Google. This is literally very amazing, right? Download for Mac or whatever you want, whatever your system is, you can download for that one. And once you do, you're ready to set, just install it on your system. And once it is installed, it looks like this kind of icon, right? You can open it. I'm opening it right like this. Uh, Let me check for one thing. Install path. Okay, it's called AGY shell command. So I'll just click on this one. Update it to include. Okay, and let's close that one and let's open here. Ls. I'll do AGY dot. It should open our basically anti-gravity VS code, right? For VS Code it was code space dot. Now for our anti-gravity it is AGY, right? So that's all you need to do. It's similar to VS Code only, but it gives you this panel that is very amazing, right? And here you have planning and a fast API. Will be using planning one, and you have different models of Gemini 3 will be using the high one, right? And I'll just write here. First thing is go through the code base. That's all I'll do. The first thing I want you to get all the context and get ready with everything. It's purely vibe coding, right? And we'll see. I've tried this one once, and it makes very very beautiful UI, to be honest, right? And let's see what it can do, right? Um, so let's see. Okay, it is analyzing everything. Okay, let it do the stuff, then we'll see. Meanwhile, if you haven't watched my this video, okay, come on, let me open this one quickly from here. This one, just make sure to watch this one. This is using Firebase Studio. I recently uploaded. It's literally an amazing video where we will be building a real-time digital use application using Firebase, right? And yeah, you should watch this one. This is if you want to learn JavaScript, TypeScript, right? DOM manipulations, Node.js, and a live project. You can watch this video. It's a one-shot video. Everything is here. Uh, yeah, subscribe to the channel and yeah, give me support, right? Okay, so let's see what it's doing meanwhile. And it's done. Okay, it's done. It got the stuff. Nice. Now create the UI for Twitter clone. Make it beautiful and use Mastodon hooks present inside the hooks /hooks, come on, this /hooks directory. And for reference, look into the test hooks page. It's test cannot looks hooks. Come on, it's hooks page. Um, okay, let's do this only. Let's see what it is doing. All right. And within a very few, like very very few minutes or few hours, you can say you have a social media application ready now. If you are thinking of building your social media applications, right? Let's say if you want to build a threads, or maybe if you want to build um basically what do you say, like Instagram clone, or maybe Twitter clone, like this, right? Now you can use this one uh, to build your applications, right? As it is totally free. Mastodon is literally amazing, and it is totally free. You don't have to pay any pricing. They save it everything. It is open source. If you want to host it, you can host on your server and use our anti-gravity to build your UIs, yeah, right? And this is literally amazing, to be honest, right? If you see here right now, it is creating a Twitter clone UI implementation plan. If you see the plans, what is the goal? Visually appealing, responsive Twitter clone UI with nextjs tailwind CSS and stuff it is doing. Will feature 3-column layout. Yes, sidebar, feed, and widgets and will be stuff. And it is using Lucid React for icons and stuff, new components. And the best part is the template I have created in that one. You already have authentication, basically next auth and everything is set up with middlewares. So you don't have to worry about anything else, right? Just fork it and use it. That's all, right? If you come over here, I can show it to you. Test hooks, right? Uh, you can see timelines, right? Public timelines. If you want to do, you can do something like this, test mutation or something, copy the ID and then just add it, and I'll show something more. Trending post, you can click on trigger. Now it will again, trigger the same thing. It is fetching the data, and once it fetches, it updates this one. Also, you see the responses here. So you have a pretty much nice area of playground for testing the hooks that I've created for you guys, right? Uh, you can search for here. Let's say if I want to do some search, it is inside discovery. Like this, I'll write hi, search for it. It is searching, wait for it, and yeah, you have the data here. You see search results, accounts, and everything. So this is amazing, right? Now let's see how much it is done. It is still creating, editing, sidebar, right? Sidebar task it is doing. So meanwhile, you can go for your tea, have some chai, have some coffee, lemon ginger tea or something, whatever you like. I like lemon ginger. That's with honey, right? It's tasty. Um, yeah. Once it is done, I will be right back here, right? So it is done. So you can see 9 files with changes, and you can, if you want, you can see the changes here. Review changes you can do like this, right? And I will not review anything. I'll just click on accept all, right? That should do. I'll open my terminal quickly and come on, load quickly. Okay, I'll do bundev, hit enter. It will start the server quickly, and yeah, it opened the server, not that one. Let's see what it did, right? Okay, did it created some separate page or something? We have provider hooks app, we have main, we have slash home. So it created a slash home. Slash home, if I go to slash home, let's see what it looks like. We have some errors here. I'm getting some issues. Class variance authority module cannot find. Okay, then we need to do one thing, burn I dash f. I guess we need to install some packages. All right. If you have your own tech stack, you can define your tech stack, right? The better prompt you give, the better result it gives, right? And uh let's see, let's reload. Let's wait and see what it gives us. Okay, module resolve cannot resolve. Okay, I guess this package is not being installed, so let's try to install that. Burn add, come on, burn add. Okay, we installed that package, and let's see. A little bit debugging we have to. Okay, React interaction observer. Okay, one more package. Let's do it. It's not a big deal. Okay, one more package. If it asks for some new more packages, I'll just ask that AI to do it, you know, to install the remaining packages it needs and stuff. Let's see. It's compiling, starting. Let's wait for it. Meanwhile, I'll close all those things. Uh, it's taking too much time. I'll restart it again. Okay. Okay, it's ready this time. Okay, it's loading, I guess. Okay, slash home. Okay, this is good. This is good. It made some stuff. Okay, it is trying. There's some issues. Iteration issues. Fine. Next auth. Build to execute JSON response on expected token. But am I logged in? Let's go to the profile page and see. I'm not logged in. So this is one issue. I guess we have to see the middleware. So let me check. Proxies should be working fine. I guess I have to add all the proxy route here. So profile test hooks is here. So we need to add here slash home, right? And we have to also include the home here slash home, and then we have to restart it, right? If I try to go to home, it should not allow me to go to home. Yeah, we are in the now login page. Now sign in with Mastodon. If you haven't created your account, you can create one account, and it's saying API of error. Okay, now the error is for the envs, right? So I have to create the envs quickly. Dot env, and I'll just copy paste the envs from my old project. Come on, I need this one. I'll paste the envs here, and then I'll start the server again, right? This is history, so we'll open that one again, right? This is good. Now let's go back here, uh, the login page, and it's okay, sending me to this page that I don't want. Okay, we have to go to the proxy page. It was sending to test hooks, right? If this auth page and token is there, then it should send me to slash home. Yeah, that should be worth it. But yeah, now I want to go to login. Let me check. Okay, I'm already logged in, I guess. Yeah, I'm getting the feeds here. You see who to follow. You have your profile sections here. I can try to post something. Let's try to post, right? Let's say this is mess the Mastodon testing, something like that. Come on, click on post, and it is posted. Uh, okay, it has been posted, right? But I'm still not able to see. Okay, it's getting me to this profile page. You have to redesign the profile page, obviously. Can I do this? Okay, some features failed to like. Okay, it loaded, so we need some more loaders, some stuff. This is Mastodon testing. I want to give it a like. Let's try liked. Okay, status changed. Click on this one. Failed to like. And what's the issue? Let's try to do some other likes. Okay, it got liked, so I'm not sure what is wrong with this too. But yeah, it is working for some posts, I guess. Okay, this is working, but this is not instantaneous, so we need to make sure. First, let me ask to fix the UI. Um, okay, fix the center UI. Um, the three column layout is not perfect. Uh, make it professional, and make sure the spacing and gaps are good. Also, I'll ask it to use stand for some state management stuff, to do some stuff. But still, like within very less amount of time, it built us this thing. And as I already have given you all the hooks to get all this data, so you don't have to create any backend stuff. Just get the configuration, and you have the data. Just need to populate it like this, the way it is doing, right? So within very the best part is, let me show you something. Um, Search for Mastodon. Yeah, this is one. And here you can go to apps, right? If you see here, I'll put the link in the description box of this one. See all this application that is built on top of Mastodon, right, for free, right, it's open source. And this, you can see all these things, right? So you build your own platform, promote it and put it here, right? And then comment me in this comment section, right? This is literally amazing, right? uh One of my friend Prabhu suggested me this Mastodon, so I'll give him the credit. But it's really interesting to build, right? um let's see what it's doing. Meanwhile, it is editing some stuff for us. Okay, some screen sizing and stuff it is doing and doing and doing. Let it do all the stuff it is doing. Once everything is done, okay, accept all. Okay, it is done. Okay, I'll just, okay, I don't need, okay, okay, you see this? Now this is looking very nice, like a real Twitter. I'll ask it also use zoo stand and make the flow more smooth, like liking posts, etc. Within within few prompts, you have this. See the level of designing it is able to do, right? And within few amounts, like Google has nailed it, to be honest, right? There were a lot of things coming. Devin, Trey I have used, right? Trey.ai, right? And a lot I've used. Cursor is there, but still, this one this one is something else, right? I've used Firebase Studio. Firebase Studio is also like this, but that was on cloud and sort of something else. But this is on on your local machine. Google made it nice, right? From IDX project IDS to Firebase Studio. Now Antigravity. This is a bang, right? Literally amazing. Uh, you can see here rendering, compiling stuff. It is doing nextjs. I added something. Accept all the changes. I'll do. Uh, I'll just make sure to just reload it. And yeah, it added a loader. Nice. Looks good. I'll write here. Let's say I'll try to again unlike this one. Okay, I can only like this one. I cannot unlike it. So we'll see that one. Okay, not this one. Let's see some other posts. Also, I don't want to show contents that are empty. So let's make sure those things. Also, filter contents for posts. Um, do not show the empty contents. Okay, I'll do this. And let me check the hook. Use like something like, or let me check my hooks. Remember it, to be honest. There's some mutation, follow favorite status, upload toggle favorite. Um, Toggle should work, and hopefully it should be used. It should be find all references. It's not being used. Okay, it is using, then use favorite status maybe. Yeah, it is using this one, not that one. Okay, accept all. Okay, and okay, it filtered. Now we don't have anything that are empty, and this is nice. Now when I'm hitting here, I want to load more data, right? So also add infinite scrolling by let's say when I scroll to the bottom, I want to load more data. Um, okay, and then what we'll be doing is I can like it. Quickly liking is working now. Comment, I'm not sure. Repost is working. Explore, we should have. Let me click on explore and let's see. Explore page for note on. Okay, I need to ask it to make the explore page. Notifications, messages, we don't have in Mastodon. Even if we have, I haven't added the hooks for it. So we can ignore the messages for now. Um, we have this. Okay, it's doing some changes, so let's wait for it. Let it finish, then we'll accept the changes, right? Um, okay. Literally, like, this is very cool, right? Let's see. Okay, accept all, right? And let's come over here. Reload the page once again to be precise. Okay, let's see. Is it responsive? Mobile responsive? Yeah, it is responsive. This is cool, right? This is cool. Uh, Dimensions. This is cool. But now there is no data. It's not loading any data for the posts. Um, so we have to tell it we don't see any posts data. Uh, um, Everything is loading, but the posts are not visible on the on the screen slash page. Hopefully, just write prompts, give it some time, it should fix it. Okay, it loaded. Stop it then. Okay, maybe it was taking some time to load. Let's reload it once. Um, let's see. It is taking a little bit of time because it is hosted on their server. A lot of things, I guess, calling these things. Now I don't see anything. Uh, it is again loading. Uh, why it is loading two times? Um, which loads times. First it loads and nothing is visible. Then after 5 seconds again, it loads the loader and then it's again visible. And if I scroll down, now it is loading here. This is nice. That is working. Only initial load. Yes. The infinite load thing is working fine. Okay, this should do it, right? And once this is done, does search work? I don't think so. So we have to make the remaining features work. Once all those things are done, we'll host it directly on our Vercel and oh, we have a Twitter clone ready, right? Using Mastodon, right? It's just around 30 for 30 minutes or I guess 35 minutes, something like that, I guess. It should be good. So within 35 minutes, we have this much of thing ready, right? If you're going to use Firebase, if you're going to use Superbase, any database, again, set up your own backend, write your DevOps stuff, your CI/CD pipelines, then, host it somewhere. A lot of costing will be there, but this is open source, free. They have their backend. If you want to host, just get a server, host their Docker image, and you are done, right? It is very powerful, right? I like Mastodon, to be honest. So far, so good. It has a lot of features, right? Uh, okay, it's loading. It is analyzing. Now it is doing some things. Let's wait for it. Okay, it is done. Click on accept all, right? And compiled. Let's reload and see what it did. Okay, just loading. Taking a little bit time to load, I guess. Load failed to load timeline. I'm getting here. Um, Now getting this. And it loaded. Let's see. I want to see this one myself also. So go to the network tab. Um, okay, it's cleaned. I'll just reload now. The access token is invalid. Ah, happening. This is what is happening. So you should wait for it. Hmm, Let me reload. See again. Uh, no, this worked. No need to give it. Um, that's fine then. I guess it fixed it. Okay. So without telling even like it by only telling that much of thing, it fixed it. Seriously. The debugging is also very good in this one, to be honest. I like it. Now let's ask it to make the explore page. Great. Now create the explore page. And I'll try to upload some okay image and thing it's not supporting. We'll also ask it this one because Mastodon also supports image and video stuff. So I'll also will also add this two things in this one, right? I'll also ask it to add this one. Well, let's say hi. Okay, post it. Posting. It says posted, and we got hi. Took some time, but we have hi. Uh, and also when I click on this one, I want it to open that particular post in the center, and then I want it, I want to do some replies and stuff also. We'll also ask you to do all those kind of things. So just keep on writing prompts, and you're getting the steps done. Um, but yeah, for me making that Mastodon next template, it was a little bit, time consuming for me. I did a little bit hard work on that one, to be honest. I have to go through the documentation of Mastodon, the API. That's not good, to be honest. But yeah, to go through that one, creating all the hooks for you guys, and now it's very pretty much like spoon feeding, right? You just go there, uh, it's a piece of cake now, right? And you just use that template. Click on explore. I want to see this one. It is compiling here, and boom, we have this. We have trending news, sports, entertainment. We have no content available on those. But for you, the same settings and stuff are there. It's not working. So this is good. Now, now also create um individual posts page where uh, the user will go if he or she clicks on any post, and also uh, he or she should be able to add reply to the threads and see the see all replies. Boom. So far so good. Notification page is 404, so I want to make everything not 404. Also will redesign the 404 page, and we'll also redesign the profile page. um okay, let's see this one. Okay, it's doing the stuff for us. uh, let's wait for it then. Okay, it started doing some stuff here, editing it very fast. I edited a lot of things. Just getting some hooks, use status hook and stuff using Mastodon. um okay, I'll wait for it to finish. Once this is done, I'll accept all the changes at once, right? Okay, you can see the number of tokens it is using here also. So it is pretty much using very less number of tokens, 268, like 200 to 300 tokens per file. It's good, I'll say. um, but yeah, make sure to subscribe to the channel, guys, if you want this kind of videos, right? And I'll be uploading a very nice video for all the college students who are in the college recently, right? I'll share my journey also. When I was in college, or when I'm in college, I was how I was making 85k rupees, right? That is $1,000 every month. um, and how I got these opportunities and all this kind of stuff. Very soon I will be joining Cisco. I'm very happy, right? And I'll tell you what are the steps I followed to get all these things, and what you can do, right, to achieve all these kind of things. Uh, we'll discuss on all those kind of things in a separate video. But yeah, make sure you like this video, share it, post it, comment, subscribe to the channel, show some support, right? That will motivate me and encourage me to build, and share my knowledge with you guys that I have. Um, you know because I have used a lot of AI tools in the last 2 years, I'm telling, right? And uh, pretty much, very much in the last 6 months, I was very actively using, to be honest. And uh, I built I co-founded basically kind of a startup called resumeflow.pro, right? Just check that out, right? It's completely free, right, initially. So just go check it out. Let me know, right? And this is done. So let's come here quickly, and let's go to the home page. Let's click on this one. Okay. Right here. Good. Reply. And I want to see the reply also. So let's wait. Maybe take some time to show the reply or something. Uh, let's reload once. And I'm getting it. So we have to write it here. So use so stand or any state management, as I want to see the uh, reply as soon as it's posted successfully. successfully with the reply count plus plus. Okay, so as soon as I post, I want to see. Now it is one and the count, so I can click here again, and then again I can reply to that one. This is a reply to this one. All right, and just like that, you have a thread now. All right, you see the idea is also changing. So this is good, right? Um, uh, okay, after this, we'll redesign the entire profile page. Then we'll make sure the search is working. Then we'll try who to follow part. Then at last we'll try for um, okay, where is the is can I okay it is not showing me the logout button here also. So also make sure it shows us the logout here. Uh, More right now we don't need it. So I'll remove the more section, and when click on post, it should take us to the home page, right, where we can post, or directly it should open a modal where we can post directly, right? That will be better, I guess, right? Um, so I did some changes. I'll accept all the changes. Okay, so let us do some more changes. Let's wait for it to do the changes. Then I'll accept it. Okay, it's going to be 45 minutes around, I guess. Um, let's see. Accept all. Now come over here. I just do a quick reload. All right. Okay, then I'll do a reply. Nice. A reply. It's done, and we have it. And the count is not. It didn't got incremented. So I want this count. So also the count should increase when the post when the reply is done in the main uh, in the post to which we are replying. Uh, okay, if I reload it, it will increase to 2, but I want it to be instantaneous, right? It shows you 2, but yeah, it is not instantaneous, right? And I already liked this post. Um, okay, this 2. That's good. This is good, I guess. No, this is good. The share option, is it working? I don't think so. So I have to make sure the share also works, right? Um, what is this one? This 3 dots. So edit options, and I'm not sure. Edit just there. Let me try. Does it work? Yeah, we have edit, so it should work. Accept all. Also add feature for the 3 dots, like delete or edit post, right? Okay, I'll reply okay. Done. I guess this worked. It became 2, right? And okay, it's fine, I guess. Okay, added. Okay, this is fine for now. To be honest, this is optimized. It's good. Um, I like it, to be honest. Let's see. It is doing some other stuff. Let it finish. Use delete status. Edit status is updating, creating hooks by itself. It got the context from the hooks I have created from the stuff. Now it is using. If you want the entire source code, it will be available. It's public totally. So try to use it as much as you can, right? And Yeah, once okay. But also, in my free time, I'll also try to create a backend, with this one. I'll use my convention. I'll create a README file with my conventions that I use, right? And I'll feed that to this one, and I'll see how it creates, right? That thing. We'll dockerize that backend. We'll see how it does, right? That will be interesting, to be honest, right? Um, okay, let's see. Okay, it's done. Accept all. Now, there's some changes issues here. Explain and fix this one. Card, channel meeting. Yeah, there's some issues with the poster component, so it is fixing that right now. Seriously, this is very, very powerful, right? Like, um, like till now I haven't seen the code. I just know the context, what I'm doing. I'm not sure what package it is using, like, use in view and stuff from React interaction also that I also know. But yeah, um, to be honest, this is good. Now, if you have a tech stack and stuff in your mind, write it down, create a complete workflow in your mind, and write it in a README file, feed it to this one, and it will implement it quietly, right? And yeah, comment down your experience with Antigravity, Firebase Studio, Trade.ai, whatever you have used, right? And I literally want to know about that thing, right? Um, it's very, very interesting to know. Uh, okay, let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait. Use client accept all. And okay, I did something. I'll come over here. I'll reload it once. And okay, there's a hydration. Okay, runtime error and something like this I'm getting. I'll just paste it here. The issue. Let's see what it is doing. Hopefully, it should be able to fix it in no time. Once this does this thing, I'll push it to my GitHub, all the changes. Then we'll deploy it on Vercel. Then we'll start building. Continuing this video. Uh, Also, I'm making a Rust course, basic course on Rust, right? And it's almost done. Um, I'm just waiting, I'm just right now recording the last part, that is creating a mini project on Rust. Once that is done, I guess you'll love the video, because, for most of the beginners or people from other language who are coming to start learning Rust, they stop learning Rust in the initial phase only. And the reason is, there are a lot of things in Rust are there when you go very deep. Initially, no need to go very deep, right? Whenever you start any language, I say just first get your hands dirty on the syntax, understand a few basic concepts. That's all. Build some stuff on your hand, right? Make sure your hand is getting habituated with the language, and then you can move forward gradually. Like right now, when we were you writing JavaScript, then when we switched to TypeScript, it was like that. Not a big deal, but yeah, initially it was like that, right? And yeah, it fixed the thing. This is good. This is literally good. Can we delete it? Yeah, we have edit options. It's coming soon. Um, Now implement the edit option. But before giving it to that thing, I'll click here, generate. Let's see. Okay. So it is very much better than Copilot also, I guess. Okay, it is analyzing what the changes are, and then okay, it failed. That's fine. Fix reviews, something like that right here. Commit everything. Okay, this get created a package log.json. So I want bun I dash f. I want everything in bun. So I'll not push the log file. I'll only have my bun log file. Bun, okay, push everything. Not this one. Commit it and then sync everything. It is syncing. And quickly I'll open Parcel, add a new project, Twitter clone, import it, and we need the environment variables. So I'll just quickly to my envs, copy paste everything and paste it here. And we need to change some stuff like the redirect URI and stuff. We will need to change it. This and this, we need to change both of this localhost things. But for now, it is fine. Just deploy it. Once the deployment is successful, we'll come and redeploy again. Like we'll change all these things and we'll redeploy, right? Because we don't know what domain we are going to get, to be honest. So yeah. Meanwhile, we can continue on this one. Just give it. Okay, it is done. I'll click on accept all. Now I'll restart the server quickly and uh, we'll see this one. But before that, let's see. Okay, it's fine. Okay, I'll click here, edit. Okay, okay, one, save it. And it has been saved. Now it is okay one. It takes some time, but yeah, it's fine. This is good. It is working. Now we'll see what issue we're getting. So I'll do run build, hit enter, and let's see what is happening. So I'll comment this one quickly. Okay. Property slice doesn't exist on Infinity Stats. Okay. It's from this page. Okay, fix this one. This is very nice. You know, you hover, it gives you directly the session here. Like it's much better than Copilot, to be honest, or any other AI tools, to be honest, so far. You know, initially Gemini was at this point, and ChatGPT, Grok, Claude, a lot of things came, and they were at this point. But now the Gemini has switched these places with them, to be honest, right? Um, OpenAI is still good, right? Um, but Gemini is something else in coding right now. It's doing a very great job, right? And I guess it's nice, right? Hopefully they should fix this thing. Come on, quickly fix it. Once this fixes, I'll push the change. Uh, because this now there's a one more important part that is about the setting up the proper envs on Mastodon as well as on your Vercel, or else your authentication will not work, your data will not come properly, your token will not get set properly. So we'll make sure all those kind of things. But yeah, so we're good. uh I hope you are enjoying the video right so far. um okay. Let's see, come on, complete it quickly. I want to accept all those changes quickly as soon as possible. Hmm. We'll be making something more interesting using these things. in the future. But yeah, so far so good. Okay, to fix it here, you can see pages.flatmap dot slice stuff. That's correct. This is nice. Okay, accept all, and we'll do again run build, and let's see if it's doing it. Okay, I did it. So I'll just push this change, sync everything. Meanwhile, go to Vercel quickly and inspect deployment. I'll just click on Twitter clone here. We should have the domain quickly. This no production deployment yet, so we don't have any deployment. Okay, it should do this. Now this should do the deployment. Then we need to set up our environment variables, that removing the localhost and getting the exact domain that we need, and that should do it. Come on, do it. Okay, I guess this is done. Now click here, overview, and come on, reload it. We should have a production deployment. Yeah, this is the one, and I need this stuff. We need to go to Mastodon, go to preferences. Yeah, go to development. I'm using the existing one that I already have, and here giving a new line, I'll just paste this one, and I need this part. Paste it, save it, and do one more thing. Copy this entire thing. Go to Vercel, go to settings, go to your environment variables, and here you have your redirect URI. Edit this one with this one, save it, and also you have your next auth URL. Edit this one and paste the exact URL without a slash. Save it. Now you can click on redeploy, redeploy. That's all, and you are all set, right? Meanwhile, let's reload this application and let's start the server and reload that application quickly. Okay, let's wait. Okay, this is good. Um, so if I can click on this one, I cannot click on that one. So it should not show me the three dots for the post that is not mine, right? Do not show the three dots for the posts that are not mine, right? Um, nice. Now I needed to create the notifications page, the bookmarks page. But before that, let's redesign the profile page, right? That's the first thing I wanted to do. Um, and let's see here, the view deployment is done, overview. Now you can click on this one and you have your slash home. Click here and sign in, right? Sign in with Mastodon, I'll do. Let's see. And you see, I'm logged in. pretty much nice. You see, I can go to my slash home again. Boom, we have it. We have our Twitter clone ready using Mastodon. Right, this is pretty much amazing. Um, let's come over here, and now you see we don't have the three dots anymore. That's quite nice. Now next thing is um, redesign the profile page. Okay, okay, it's scheduled this one, I guess. Yeah, it's scheduled that one. Now it will use it. Okay, that's good. So making changes are too good right now, and um, yeah, let's quickly wrap this video. Right, it's going to be 1 hour now. And what I'm saying is like we'll obviously we'll make some more peach, then we'll wrap it up, but not right now. But yeah, the thing is, you get the point how we are building it. It's just vibe coding. Just give your prompts, get it done. That's all. Um, but yeah, it doesn't mean that we'll stop writing our code with our own hands, because or else we'll not be able to understand stuff. So next time we'll be making something with our own hands, right? Not vibe coding. Um, Maybe I'll create a video on nextjs. We'll talk about some new features on nextjs, about how intercepting routing, parallel routing works. Maybe I will create a separate a particular video on routing on the nextjs. All kinds of routing will talk about in that video, and that will be much better, I guess, right? We should do that thing. So okay, let's see. Okay, that's generating stuff. It's really nice, right? Our this thing, I haven't explored all the features of anti-gravity yet. This is only one feature that we are using, that is writing code, and that's what we are using. But yeah, it has a lot of different kinds of feature. Open browser preview can do this one inbuilt, I guess. It can do some testing works, item specific settings. We'll go through those things quickly. And it made some changes. um, it's telling me to remove this one, except it's fine. Don't skip what it is saying also, right? At least right now you're not writing code, but try to with patiently read what it is saying, what command it is running, what it is asking for you, what permissions it is asking. um and even if it is asking you like, it is good to give the permission or not, think on that point and then give it, right? Do not blindly code, right? I'm saying it in all my videos, don't blindly code, never do that. It's not good at all. Profile. So slash profile page. Boom, we have the profile page. Edit profile will not work, but yeah, we'll add that one soon. um but yeah, you can just add the prompt, I want to see this, that, and edit profile page. I'll push all these changes quickly, commit, sync the changes, and then we're good to go. Let's also implement the notifications page. Messages. Let's see if we have Mastodon, we have messages or not. I want to really see this one. I don't think so we have, but let's see this one. If I want to DM this person, I open his profile. We don't have message, private mention. Nah, we don't have message or something. If I do mention, and I can mention him, I can do a private mention, but I cannot message him. So remove the messages, as we do not have this feature in Mastodon, and then implement the notification uh, along with the more option from the left sidebar. And once that is done, I'll also ask it to um, add a nice landing page for it, basically on the first page, like something like let's get started, enter into the website. We'll see, we'll try to get some animations. Also add uh, the logout feature from the bottom. So here we are showing it, so I want the logout feature with this one. And meanwhile, let's click on this one. I wanted to see what is this thing. Launch browser. So let me show it to you. So it launched its own browser. This is the one. And browser onboarding, install extension, add to Chrome, add extension. So anti-gravity browser extension, right? So it doesn't sign into the Chrome. Obviously, I'm already signed in as it is, but I will again sign in with this one. Signing using my passkey. Yeah, do that. Skip. No. Okay, it has been added. And okay, okay, I'll close this instance quickly, and I'll click on this one again. Okay, and extension is already installed. So extensions. Okay, enable this one, pin it. That's all we need, and just load this one. And we don't need to onboard anything anyways. Getting started, monitoring dashboards and stuff. Okay, so that's 3000, I guess. We go with 3000. I'm not sure how to use this one. Let's see. Let's try to click on this again. Okay, install preview. Bring Antigravity agent into your browser to see and interact with websites. It empowers. I see it's just an extension that you can use directly on any website that you have. It's not like it will do something from here, I guess. I'll check that one later on, right? Not in this one. And also, as I am also new to this one, I haven't checked that feature yet. I'll check it out. Maybe I'll create a shot on that one, right? So what it did is it did okay, and we don't have messages, we don't have that part. Implemented the notifications, I guess. I don't have any notifications, to be honest. Even in the Mastodon I don't have any notifications. It should be empty here also. Yeah. um Bookmarks is still empty, so I'll ask it implement the bookmarks. And also, when I click on the post button in the sidebar, open a modal for creating posts. This should do these things. And uh, So far so good. Edit, commit, check the changes. So we are seeing all the changes here. uh, Now it should be redeploying, as I already pushed the changes from here. So it should be redeploying and it will go away. These two things will go away from here. But yeah, so far it is super nice, right? Google's anti-gravity is something else. Yeah, right. Coding this much with this much accuracy, um, unbelievable. I'm telling you, start learning AI stuff right now, or else you'll regret this later on. Literally, I'm telling you. If you don't learn how to use AI and increase your productivity, then I'm like, you should have the knowledge, the basic knowledge of building everything from scratch. Then use AI to increase this, do the same thing, and even if you get any errors, you should be able to fix that thing. That's the main important thing in AI right nowadays. Um, I guess. So I'm saying this. AI may take the job now. This is good. Um, let's see what it is doing. Model, okay. So for free, it is giving this much of model limit. You can resume using model this after 2 hour 45 minutes, or you can select different model. I'll not select any different model. I don't want to change my response quality. So I guess I'll wrap this video right now at this point, because I don't have any our model time limit has been exceeded. So, but still, it is quite very good to have this much of things built within this much period of time, right? And I guess it should have updated it here. Yeah, it has removed those two things. So far so good. I hope you like this video, everyone, and um, yeah, I hope to see you in future. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, um, and try out all these things that are working, that are not working, whatever things this is not working. So you can just add the prompt to make it work, right? But within 1 hour 20 minutes, I guess, around, it is, we have built this thing. um, Amazing, right? So thanks for watching this video, guys, and I will see you next time.